How to check password on Roblox. So unfortunately, if you want to go ahead and take a look at your password inside the Roblox website or app itself, Roblox doesn't really show this for security reasons, of course. So one way you could just technically get your password is to log out of your account, and you can choose the forgot your password option. So you can go ahead and do your verifications, and you can get yourself a new password. Other than that, if you have logged in to your browser and maybe you went ahead and saved your password for automatic logins, you can go ahead over here to the top right in your settings and more, and just go ahead into your passwords. Once you're there, you can just go ahead and search for Roblox in the search passwords bar. So search for Roblox and the roblox.com will pop out. It's gonna show you a few options and a few accounts that you've logged in. So let's say you want to look at the password of that specific account, just press on this over here, which should show your password, and you can go ahead and log in and try if that was the password that you used. But that's one way you can go ahead and take a look at your passwords in Roblox, and a few options, of course. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.